friends, this is the query came from Facebook group, that is extract values as per region by using only lookup function. Okay, now we will learn how to do that. Okay, actually he asked that lookup and index and match, and I am showing extra, that is with the VLOOKUP also. Okay, it is in horizontal, so you have to use HLOOKUP, but I will show you how to do with the VLOOKUP, vertical lookup. Okay, now first of all we will learn lookup. Okay, what is lookup? Lookup will always look up the approximate and last match. Okay, so what I will do, first of all I will find whether this region is available in this or not. F4, locking from all sides, rows and columns, and I am pressing F9 to evaluate and check whether it is there or not. So it is found that here it is. Okay, so what I will do here, 1 divided by, so we have to convert into a numbers. So for that reason I am using 1 divided by. You can use into 1, but it will get some errors. So for that reason here also you will get errors. See, if I do into, what will happen? See, so it will pick up the last 0 value. It will pick up the 0 value, the last 0 value. So I don't want that one. I want only the numbers. For that reason I did 1 divided by. It will show you the divisible by a 0 error and numbers. Okay, so what I'll do here, simply I'll use lookup 2 comma 1 divided by end, and the result vector will be this one. Control Shift right arrow to select the whole right range and pressing F4, close parenthesis. It's a normal function, it can handle an array. Control enter. 1326. See, check east A1, 1271, 1271, west A3, west A3, 1584. Now I will use with VLOOKUP now. VLOOKUP, everyone will do like this. VLOOKUP comma, it will not work guys, it will not work. Okay, 2 comma 0. Okay, it will not work. See, South A, is it right? South A is not right. So I will transport this range by using, or this table by using transpose rows into columns and columns into rows. So it will become, it will easy to, VLOOKUP will be easy to understand that transpose function. So it's an array function, you have to use Control Shift and enter. Double. Okay, and another method is index and match. Okay, so first of all I will use match of this. So it will pick up the position where it is found. F4 comma 0, exact match. F9. So it will show us the position where it occurs. The north A is occurring first row. Okay, index. So index need an array. So what you need the values, right? Control Shift right arrow, F4 comma close parenthesis. It's a normal function guys, it's not an array function. So he asked these two things, lookup and index and match, and the extra one is VLOOKUP. Okay guys, if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment box. Thanks for your support guys. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends and subscribe. If you subscribe, whenever I upload a new video, you will get a notification in your mail